Our healthcare system in India, it's built on a foundation of trust, isn't it? Trust between a doctor, a patient, and the medicine that's supposed to make them better. But what happens when that trust is broken? What happens when the medicine itself becomes the threat? The danger we're talking about today isn't always easy to see. It hides in plain sight, on pharmacy shelves and in hospital supply rooms, and it looks just like the real thing. We're talking about the crisis of counterfeit and substandard drugs. And this isn't some academic question. It's a daily reality for so many. It undermines every single diagnosis, every prescription, and every rupee we spend on public health. And the consequences, well, they can be absolutely devastating. Just how big is this problem? Well, according to the World Health Organization, a staggering 10%, 1 in 10, of all medicines in developing countries are either counterfeit or just plain substandard. Think about that. 1 in every 10 times a patient takes a pill, it could be totally ineffective, or worse, actually harmful. Now, it's really important to know the difference here. Substandard drugs, those are usually quality failures. Maybe not enough active ingredient, or they degraded somehow. But counterfeit drugs, that's a whole different animal. That is deliberate, intentional fraud. They're designed to deceive you. Either way, both of them are silent killers. So this global problem, it isn't happening somewhere far away. It has a local address. It's happening right here across our nation. And frankly, it demands our immediate attention. We just can't afford to look at this as a few isolated incidents. All the evidence points to a systemic crisis that has wormed its way into our supply chains and is putting our citizens at risk every single day. Just look at what's been happening recently. From Mumbai to Delhi, Nagpur to Hyderabad, it's everywhere. We're seeing seizures of fake antibiotics, fake heart medicines, even counterfeit cancer drugs. Some have even been found inside government hospitals. This is a true pan-India problem. And what's the real cost? It's the human cost. A doctor can make a perfect diagnosis, but it's all for nothing if the medicine is fake. The treatment fails, the disease gets worse, and it creates an even bigger problem, drug resistance, which makes future treatments harder for all of us. And tragically, in far too many cases, lives are lost. For way too long, our response has been stuck in the past, using outdated methods. But today, right now, we can shift from a state of waiting and delay to one of proactive, decisive action. This chart says it all, really. The old way, you find a suspicious medicine, you send a sample to a lab, and then you wait for weeks, filled with uncertainty. It's expensive, it's slow, and it's pretty much impossible to do in rural India. But the new way? We're talking instant verification, right there at the point of care. A clear yes or no result in seconds, with affordable tech that works everywhere, from a big city hospital to the most remote village clinic. So how does this actually work? Well, the solution is a portable, field-ready system that literally puts the power of a modern laboratory right into the hands of an authorized officer. And the process couldn't be simpler. It's designed for anyone to use with minimal training. It all boils down to 3 simple steps. Scan the medicine, let the device analyze it, and then get an immediate result. So first, an officer just takes the handheld device and scans the medicine. And what's really incredible here is that they can do it right through the packaging. Blister packs, bottles, it doesn't matter. It's completely non-destructive. So what happens next is pretty amazing. The device uses advanced spectroscopy and machine learning to analyze the drug's unique chemical signature. Then, it instantly compares that signature against a huge verified database of what the authentic medicine should look like. And within seconds, the result pops up. There's no guesswork. You either get a green pass, meaning the medicine is authentic and safe, or you get a red fail, meaning it's a counterfeit and needs to be seized on the spot. It's clear, actionable intelligence right when you need it most. Now, I want to be really clear. This isn't some experimental new gadget. It is a proven, globally trusted solution, and the best part? It's already prepared and compliant for deployment right here in India. I mean, just look who's already using this exact technology. The world's toughest regulatory bodies. We're talking about the US FDA, the UK's MHRA, Health Canada, Swiss Medic, the list goes on. Over 15 other national agencies trust this to protect their own people. And it's not just the regulators. The biggest pharmaceutical companies on the planet, Pfizer, Roche, Johnson & Johnson, they all rely on this system to protect the integrity of their own supply chains. This is the global gold standard, period. And for those of you thinking about the administrative side, it's all taken care of. The device is PAC certified, it's fully compliant with the general financial rules, and it is available for procurement right now on the GEM portal. The whole process is transparent, audit safe, and it's ready to go today. So we find ourselves at a critical point. We have a proven solution for a clear and present danger. The final step is recognizing that we have a collective responsibility to act on this knowledge. And the results of taking action are crystal clear. We will see dramatically enhanced drug safety. We will begin to restore public trust in our healthcare system. We'll get incredible data to help us make smarter policy. And we'll see massive cost savings from preventing these treatment failures. Every single rupee invested protects countless lives. Ultimately, this goes so much deeper than policy papers and department mandates. Ensuring the safety of the medicine that we give our own citizens, that is a fundamental national responsibility. So let's be clear, the technology exists. The solution has been proven all around the world. The need in every single district of our country is urgent. Everything required to solve this problem is right here. The power to save life is in your hands. The only question left is, will we act?